Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel. Oh my gosh, BCH is struggling. I am long on this, unfortunately. Out of this falling wedge, that is clearly negated. And my stop loss, I believe, is the support here at $440, so it's right under that, around $438. We'll see what happens, but so far it does not look good. I had a pretty steep stop loss. We'll see what happens. The measure move out of this falling wedge was $600, and that was pretty much was I was playing. Also on the 4-hour chart and also on the daily chart, your measure move was $949. So the 4-hour chart is oversold, but it's making a lower low, so I don't really like that. I guess if you look at the macro time frame, this could technically still be a higher low like on the daily chart. So let's go up to the daily chart. The daily chart is making a higher low unless it loses the level of 398. If that happens, then you know it's GG's. The 2-day chart has a lot more to dump. The 3-day chart technically is still in an uptrend, but it looks like it's trying to roll over here. Usually whenever it looks like it's about to roll over but it never got overbought, it usually just keeps going to the upside. So the 3-day chart I'm not worried about, at least not yet. The weekly chart has a lot of more room to go up. So the daily chart looks right to me. The only time frame I'd really be worried about would be the 2-day. 3-day might be a problem here soon if you don't get some kind of bounce really quickly. But right now you're well above the 200-day moving average on the daily and on the 3-day time frame and on the 2-day. And really even on the weekly you are. So I'm not too worried about what I'm seeing except on the 2-day time frame. The price levels we have to stay above to remain bullish would be 440. That is massive weekly support. If you stay above that, technically this trade is still valid, and then your next resistance is 500 basically, and then above that 555, and then above that you have local resistance obviously at that high at 720 or 723. We'll see what happens. That's what you have to watch out for. If you lose 440, it's likely to come back down to let's see, it's likely to come back down to probably 400 or 420, and then below that, if you lose 420, I'm looking for 343. If you lose that level, I'm out of the trade. So see what happens. I'm still long for like at least the last week. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it if you hit the like, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video on crypto or on Bitcoin Cash, and I'll see you guys on the next one.